hands on your neck, that for keepsake. Don't let them steal you wrong. See that for keepsake.
Hey, what it be, what it do, what it don't. Mama and Papa Taylor at it again. Why you copying me? We ain't been doing no reactions, y'all. We ain't been doing nothing. We been slipping, man. I don't know why Mama Taylor been slipping like that. I've been wanting to do videos, and she just ain't been wanting to do none. So I don't know, man. Y'all blame her, man. Y'all just blame her, because I don't know, man. It's Mama Taylor gang. Y'all like her more than me anyway, so, you know what I'm saying? When she don't want to do no videos, it's all on her.
Don't be telling lies.
What?
Our schedule haven't allowed us to be together at the same time to do videos.
Oh, that's what it is?
Yeah.
Well, your little black self need to get back to being available, because you're not available. But we're doing a reaction today, and I don't know what we're doing it on. Mama Taylor, what we doing it on? What we doing a reaction on?
Take that video off. I saw in the comments they wanted us to do a reaction on the Valentine.
The Valentine. So we're gonna do a reaction on giving our Ratchet Valentine gifts.
Gifts, yeah.
Okay.
Epic is an award-winning digital library for kids 12 and under. Once on Epic, your child.
Let's see what this thing do.
Did you have a Valentine? You did?
12 made this one.
Wake up in the morning, tell me where you going.
Time is up, and baby, let's make it important.
What's up, guys? You already know who it is. It's Ty. Daisha couldn't be with me today because she had to go get her nails done.
What? She doing video by herself?
Was go out in the city.
Really?
She did that?
Valentine's Day gifts because, you know,
I know a tornado coming this way.
A whirlpool already here.
They had no nigga or they ain't have a girl. So what I did was went and got my little Valentine's Day gifts.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 little gifts.
Sweet of you, dog.
Million people in the world, she got 7 little gifts. What is that? What's that?
Tampon wings. Now who gonna eat cold wings?
What's that?
Money.
She done put pennies in there.
Special surprises.
Oh God.
And all of the gifts.
Cigarette.
You know.
Well, where she get them from?
You know, just an extra little present for everyone.
What is that?
So
Boo boo or chocolate?
Pass out random Valentine's Day gifts, and we're gonna get their reactions.
What was
They
that?
don't automatically think, oh, some chocolate in there, I want this shit. And then I'm gonna walk away and see when they open it, and they don't get to see what's inside of it.
Don't snitch.
So it's gonna be fun. So let's get started.
Look like boo boo to me.
People facial expressions. I chose
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little gifts. 1 million people in the world.
Well, honey, it's the thought that count.
And I got all the right stuff.
Coming from her, too.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little gifts. 1 million people in the world. That's a billion.
See, most people, they would have just did chocolate, but y'all know me, I'm extra as hell, and I gotta do something a little different.
That's my baby.
I'm feeling dizzy with these hater blockers on.
You feeling dizzy?
Yeah, I put these on because I didn't know what I was going to see. Feeling dizzy.
Feeling dizzy?
Now, why is she cursing?
Y'all had a Valentine?
Hell no, man. I don't fuck with no Valentine.
Well, I'm gonna be our Valentine. Here you go. We got a little song
Please,
up
she giving away stuff.
But what the fuck? Stop.
Ah!
Hey. Lit, nigga. Lit, nigga. Hey,
What they get?
hey, good gas.
I don't snitch.
Hey, I ain't had no Valentine, and I ain't had no good gas like this in a minute, boy. I swear to God. Boy, do I? Hey, check the bag right now. Look in the bag
I
right
ain't
now.
seen no chocolates like that before.
Boy, you know I'm having them, man. Man, hey. Come on. Hey, wait.
That candy don't look right. It look old.
You got some free?
I wouldn't want to eat that.
I ain't never got no weed on Valentine's Day, boy. I swear
What?
to God,
Happy Valentine.
Pass a lie, pass a lie. Now, what is he talking about?
Hmm?
What he just say what I thought he said?
Did you have a Valentine?
He say he about to eat.
You did? Okay.
Randy looked funny.
He didn't even give me a motherfucking chance to give his little bald-headed ass nothing, and he probably ain't getting nothing for motherfucking Valentine's Day.
Nah,
I'm gonna find somebody else.
you really need to get your mouth washed out with some soap.
My ex, her,
Washing powder.
her.
Game tied.
Hi. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Now, why she's bothering that lady?
Valentine's Day gift. You want a Valentine's Day gift? You want a Valentine's Day gift?
Yes, I do.
Let me see what I got for you. What? I might not have nothing you like.
Why not?
I don't think I got. You know
I
what?
bet you she gonna
I
drop
got
one on him. She
Valentine's
holding him too crazy. She gonna drop one on him. Watch. I heard
You
her.
got one for the woman, not for the man.
Watch.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna have nothing that you like.
Why she hiding them?
I know my daughter. I know my daughter.
Oh,
Well, drop the
no,
gift.
I really don't. I don't think you're gonna want this. Hold this one too. Okay. Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you.
You gotta open it for me.
Oh, thank you so
I couldn't do nothing but laugh.
You wanna
like it
say
that way. I
You
wasn't
wanna
expecting
say? You
no
wanna
girl.
say? Go ahead, light 'em
Guess
up,
what
girl.
I keep the points because it'll be a memory that you gave to me.
You welcome.
I want to know who bought them cigarettes for her.
That's what I'm trying to figure out. And what
How
happened
she
to
even
the
know-
candy that was in the box? What
How
happened
does
to
she
all
even
the
know where to go
candy?
get some cigarettes from?
Where else you gonna get them from?
What do you mean? Where she gonna get them from?
I said that was a stupid question. Where else she's gonna get them from? I'm glad you're stopping the video and then we'll talk.
I don't see no girl. Yeah, it probably might be some over here. Oh, I would do her, but she on the phone. I'm trying to find somebody too that look hungry, because everybody look healthy and full and ain't studying nobody. You want a Valentine's Day gift?
Yeah.
You hungry? You hungry? I got a special Valentine's Day gift for you.
Go,
Go on and
girl.
open it up. Go on and
There
open
you
it up.
go.
Go, girl.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Woo, 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 woo.
Whoa.
Woo, woo, woo.
You gotta taste one. You
Oh, I
gotta
got
eat
you. I
one.
got you, baby.
You gotta eat one. Go on and take a bite.
Oh.
Amen.
He did the right thing. He blessed his food.
He could come from Ty. It could have been tiny.
I hope Ty ain't did nothing to them wings.
Why you calling my daughter out
Well,
like
I
she did
just
something?
said I just hope that them fresh wings that she bought them and didn't get them out the refrigerator or just had them laying
Man, you
somewhere.
gonna get off my daughter, man. Talking
Well,
that
I
craziness,
don't
man.
know.
Like my
No.
daughter, like my daughter can't afford no wings or something, man. You tripping? Woo, 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 woo. I'm to my throwing them everywhere.
He thought
That
I'm
nigga eating
old.
them, throwing them bone.
Excuse me. You had a Valentine. Did you have a Valentine? You gotta open it up. You gotta open it up. Boom.
Boom.
Thank you. You gotta open it up. You gotta open it up for the camera. You gotta look.
Can I have one? Doing her happy dance. She disappointed.
She ain't disappointed. She.
Come out. Hey.
Oh.
Excuse me. Come out. Come on, bro.
Come on, bro.
Watch it, babe. This gotta be for somebody else. This gotta be for somebody else. He did. Well, show him what I got you. Show him what I got you. Show him what I got you. Why? Which one of your husbands? You said both on your husband.
No, man. I'm the nephew.
This your husband.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's a
Why
eating
you ain't
nephew.
got no Valentine's Day?
Is he eating them wings I had gave her?
No,
do that. And you gotta open it up first. Well, first of all, you gotta wash it.
A washer?
Open up your gift. Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Oh my God.
That's some Tide Pod, them Tide.
Done gave the man some damn washing powder. Done gave the man some washing powder.
Thought them were condoms.
I like to thank y'all for coming out.
When you,
It look like
how you know how a condom look?
what we should.
How you know?
I'm watching this.
I love y'all.
No.
Now, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's out of pocket. Look at him, still in front of him.
No, but I don't want him to eat none of the balls.
He said
He don't want him
it.
to eat none of them Tide Pods.
What?
Oh my gosh. Well, I'm glad everybody liked their gift or whatever. I'm gonna do this again. It's gonna be funnier this time. Oh my gosh. So if you guys like this video and you want to see a part 2, like, comment,
I'm doing this
subscribe,
with
let me
them.
know below which one
I'm
y'all
doing
want to see
this.
me do more of. And we go.
I want to do this. I want to do this. Give your reaction to this, hon. Let them know. Let them know what you thought about it.
I mean, I think it was thoughtful, but I think she did put. I think that was nice of her to.
You liked all the gifts?
No, I didn't like all of them. She gave them some rotted out candy, old outdated candy, looked like. And then, with the wings, she just dumped them in the box, and
They was separated
so I don't
in their
even know
own
if
little
they were
space.
fresh or whatever. But I mean, it looks like she tried to put a little thought in some of the gifts.
Man,
but,
get off my daughter, Ty. You did an
You
awesome
know.
job. I liked everything that you gave. I'm not no snitch. I liked everything that you gave. So at the end of the day, but one of them gonna get me. You just wait. You just wait till I see you. You wait till I see you.
Well, which gift?
Do you know? Did you hear what I said? Hold up. You wait till I see you. You know what I see you mean? Intensive care. Right?
Intensive care unit. That's what it means. I see you. Anyway,
So you had to be smart,
she was trying to
educated,
be
got her doctor
humorous.
degree.
With some of the little gifts, but
Whatever, man. Hey, listen, we back, man. Reactions at its finest.
Yeah,
We're not playing. We're going to give you two in one day before I go to sleep. You hear me? I got my jammies on.
yeah.
2 before we go to
But
sleep.
yeah, we need to go out and do that. It seemed fun.
No, I'm not doing nothing like that with you, cause somebody say something or do the wrong thing or say you fine or try to grab you or anything like that.
No, I'm a people person, so we need to just come up with some cute little gifts to go
ain't
out
going on.
and give away.
Ain't nothing going on.
So for Easter, y'all,
We're not
do
gonna
eggs
do it
away.
cause my wife go
We're
out.
gonna put something in the plastic eggs. Don't steal my idea.
We're not doing that, cause get what? If we go anywhere, me and my wife go out there, them people get talking to her, I ain't gonna be able to leave. Cause she gonna sit there and wanna pray with them, wanna talk 2-3 hours, like we at church. Y'all, when the pastor get through preaching at church, I be ready to go.
No,
She's
you're
so
not
nosy.
supposed to leave.
She sit there and wait till everybody leave out the church. I be so mad.
Don't wait for that.
I be so mad. Like she wanna wait. The man don't preach. He don't got your money.
Man,
You
you
don't preach.
leave until he pray over you to release you to leave.
Man,
for the
that man be done
benediction.
did all that.
Yes, but you don't leave until
You just
the
nosy.
shepherd
You
pray
nosy.
and
You want to
wish
see
y'all,
who joining the church.
great
She want to see who joining the
and
church.
pray over
She want
y'all
to see
when
who
you
running
get
in front
ready
of the
to leave.
church.
'Cause
All of that.
it's not good to be leaving before the preacher dismissed.
You be the last one in the church.
Well, you could miss a blessing by trying to run and beat everybody else trying to get out of the parking lot.
Okay, y'all. Y'all be honest with us and leave us in the comments. Do you think it's smart if your wife go to church on E, a mega church with thousands of worshipers on E, and she want to wait till everybody start leaving? Do that make any sense? Y'all be the judge. Y'all leave it in the comments. Y'all let me know. I'll continue.
First of all, when I don't be on E. So what are you talking about? I don't never be all the way on no E going to church. Now, come on, you're over exaggerating.
I'm saying the amount of gas that you have in your car will not make it out of the church
Yes,
with.
Well, Faith will get me out of church. And second of all, it just depends on which vehicle I'm on, because our vehicle kicks in reserve. It has reserve.
That's your problem. You
gas.
keep on kicking in reserve till you're going to need a fuel filter and a fuel pump. Keep on keeping on.
He talking about one incident, y'all. He making it seem like this something that happens every Sunday. And
this has happened numerous of times.
We've never cut off.
Not several, which is too numerous.
Gas stations right down the street. And so if they would get ready in time, we could get to church in time. Then I stop and get the gas so that we don't have to be worried about that. But I'm never worried about that, because when you've been driving in a vehicle, you pretty much know when you need to get gas and when you don't need to get gas.
My car acting up. It don't want to crank. Fuel pump.
Don't try to speak that up. Don't try to put that. The devil is a lie. Pass a lie. Pass a lie. I rebuke that in the name of Jesus. Don't try to speak nothing bad up on
Missionary Taylor.
I drive.
Missionary Taylor has spoken, and for this video, we're out. Hey, yo, what up, man? Y'all already know, man. It's Papa Taylor, man. Welcome to my website for my clothing line. As you know, if you don't know, I am the founder of URL Apparel. Undeniable and real youthful. So this is definitely for the youth. It has a youth feel. Make sure you guys go and check out the website, urapparel.com. There are so many different looks on here. Great quality clothing, urban fit. You know, if it fits the body, contours you. You know what I'm saying? So you make sure y'all go check the website out, man. There's jeans on there for women, jeans on there for men, jumpsuits, unisex for men and women, you know what I'm saying? Hoodies, unisex for men and women. You want to dress like your boo and you can't find nothing that quick, holla at your boy, man. I got you. You know what I'm saying? It's jumpsuits for all ages, hats, t-shirts, pants, everything, man. Ooh, them look real nice with the gecko on them, you know what I'm saying? Those are men pants right there, though. Got trousers for women. You know, y'all make sure y'all go check the website out and support your boy. At the end of the day, this brand is built for you and your cousin, your sister, your brother, your mama, your daddy. Like, all y'all could dress like. Y'all could be a bunch of twins if you wanted to, you know. But don't forget, man, go and subscribe to the channel, man. Also on Instagram, YouTube, URL Apparel, you know. Make sure to go through and check and find things that you might like. Something that you want. Something that's different than what everybody else is wearing. If that's what you're looking for, you found the right guy. URL Apparel.
URI. Undeniable and real youthful. The brand of the new millennium.